Learn how to identify SEO keywords from a blog using AI in Google Sheets. You can use a formula called GPT Web that helps you scrape information from websites and process it with AI. Now select a cell and type equal GPT Web, followed by the instructions for the AI, inside quotation marks, to identify the SEO keywords in an online blog. Add a comma, and for the next parameter, select the cell containing the blog URL. Press Enter to see how the AI completes the task for you. Now, you can copy this formula down to extract the relevant keywords from the other blogs on the list. To get this formula, let's install a free extension that will enable us to use AI directly in our spreadsheets. Visit SheetGPT.ai, click Install, and follow the steps to add the extension. Next, open a spreadsheet, navigate to Extensions, search for SheetGPT, and click Enable. Now you are ready to use Analyze websites directly in Google Sheets. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips about AI and